Dear students, in the last class we just studied about how to find the area of the cylinder. In this regard we have learned two areas. One is the lateral surface, that is if you see the cylinder, what you see, which is known as a lateral surface area, but in this regard for cylinder we call it as curved surface area because the lateral surface of the cylinder is a curved one, right? So curved surface area formula we have studied, which is nothing but curved surface area, curved surface area. Can you remember, children? So what is the formula? 2 pi r h. One formula we have studied. Then second one we studied total surface area of the cylinder. T S A, I will write. It is 2 pi r into r plus h. So these two formulas we have studied and one example problem is solved. Today we will do the exercise. Different varieties of problem they are given, and using these formulas how to solve the problem. So one by one we will solve now. So it is in my textbook, it is exercise number 13.2, okay. That is the second exercise of the chapter areas and volumes. The first one I have not taken because already you know it about the cube and cuboid, how to find the area, surface area. So first problem, I have written the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder, that is the normal cylinder where the curved surface is perpendicular to the base, okay, is given. It is 88 centimeter square and that cylinder height is given 14 centimeter. And what we have to find the diameter of the base. Base is always circular shape, its diameter we have to find. So first thing we will write what are the terms they are given. The curved surface area of the cylinder. So I will write curved surface area of the cylinder, is equal to how much? This is the height, but the area is 88 centimeter square. So it is 88 centimeter square. Then height of the cylinder is given, height. So height of the cylinder is equal to how much? 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. They asked to find the diameter. So first in the formula we will find r. R is nothing but the radius of the base. So first we will find the radius. Using that we will find the diameter. So I will write the radius of the cylinder. Now which formula we have to use now? It is curved surface area. This is total surface area. Since they are given curved surface area, so I have to use 2 pi r h, curved surface area. So curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. In this particular chapter always write the formula, okay. Then we will substitute the values given in this formula and which is not known we will find out. First, curved surface area. Do you know that answer? Yes, it is given. So we will write curved surface area. How much value is given? So in that place only we will write 88, which is given as 88. Then equal sign. Then 2 is there, write 2 and into 2 pi r h is nothing but 2 into pi. If you can use bracket if you don't want, or you can just multiply 2 into pi value is, either you may take pi value as 22 by 7 Otherwise, you also take pi value as 3.14. So it is the fractional form, it is decimal form. Usually we will take fractional form. They will give you if they want to take decimal value. Okay. Now I will take a 22 by 7 pi value. Okay. 22 by 7 pi value into r I don't know. The radius I don't know. Right, r into height. Height is how much? Height. Here symbol is very important. I have not written. Sorry children. H is equal to, here radius, r is equal to. Always write, and easy to write the this one. Substitute the values. Okay. So r I don't know. Height is 14 centimeter. Right. Now we'll simplify. Now I want only the radius, r value. So I will bring each one value to the left hand side of the equal sign, keeping only r in this side. So in this regard, when into value is there, if you bring it, it will become divided by, and if it is divided value is there, that number if you bring this side, it will change into. This all in the numerator, so it will come in the denominator, and this is in the denominator, it goes to the numerator. So what I will get, 88 is already there in the numerator, so 7 is in the denominator, it will shift to the numerator. It is divided by 7 into 7. This whole thing is, this is multiplied to r, 2 is multiplied, 22 is multiplied, 14 is multiplied, right? So it will become divided by, okay. So it is 2 into, so all numerator value go to denominator, 22 into 14 is equal to r. This step understood? The numerator value is go to denominator, the denominator value go to numerator. See, this all into 2 into r. So into r, 2 into r. So into 2 will become divided by 2. So 88 is there, divided by 2. Same manner 22 into r. So 22 into will become 88 divided by 22. Same manner into 14. So it is divided by 14. Here 7 is divided by, so it will become into with 88. So all values I brought this side, left hand side, only I left r which I want to get the value, okay, right? Now we will simplify. Division I will do, then I will do the multiplication. Now if you have any common factor, you check it, numerator and denominator. One time you divide the numerator, same number you divide it by the denominator. Now if you observe here, 7 and 14, right? 7 is in the numerator, so 7 table I can use. So one number I divided in the numerator, so one number with the same table I have to divide the denominator. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. Now if you see here 88 in the numerator, here 22. So 11 table is the common factor for both this one. So I will use 11 table to divide, and same number I will divide it by here also. 11 8s are 88, 11 2s are 22. Now any common factor is there? Yes, 2 is there and 8 is there. You know 8 can be divided by 2. So I will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Again you can divide by 4 with another 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Right? Now one more 2 is there. 2 1s are 2 1s are. So all numerator 1 into 1 and denominator is 1 into 1 into 1 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. So everything is cancelled, means not 0, it is 1, which is equal to r. So radius I got as one answer. Since the unit is centimeter, write centimeter. Unit you have to write. Okay. Now last step, which is we want, that is diameter I want, right? So diameter of the, it is same as, okay, diameter of the cylinder, symbol is d, we will find out. We know that d is equal to 2 times radius, right? 2 times radius. So diameter of the base is 2 into radius, we got 1 centimeter. So into 1 is equal to 2 into 1 is 2. So diameter is 2 units. Here the unit is centimeter. So centimeter we will write. So this is the way of solving the problem. Okay, I hope you understood. Second one, it is required, if you have the textbook children, I will read it, you just keep it open and see. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. You have to make closed cylindrical tank. Closed cylindrical tank. You have to make, right? And of height 1 meter and diameter, base diameter is given now, height is given, the base diameter is given 140 centimeter, 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. From a metal sheet you have to make. From a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required? How many square meters? What is the meaning of square meters? It is nothing but meter square. Meter square, square meter means meter, square meter of sheet. Sheet are required. You are making one closed cylinder, metal cylinder you have to make, which is closed. Closed in the sense it will have the base and the top, circular base also it has got, top also it has got, and we have to find the full metal required to make the curved surface, we have to make it, and two circular base, one is top and the bottom, that also we have to cover it, so it should be closed cylinder. From the metal sheet we have to make. Now to find the area required, how much area of the metal sheet we have to require to make it is which one? Is it curved surface area or total surface area we need in this problem, children? Which one? Yes, you guessed it correctly. It is the total surface area of the cylinder. That formula we have to use. Because we are making the cylinder with the top and base, so we need some area of the metal to close the top and bottom, that circular base. So we want that one, so we have to consider that also, and curved surface, which is nothing but the total surface of the area of the cylinder. So we have to find TSA of the cylinder. First one, we will write the given aspects which are given here. Height is given, height of the cylinder, height of the cylinder. For symbol height, what is the symbol? H is equal to 1 meter. Then base diameter, of the cylinder. For diameter, what is the symbol? D is equal to how much? 140 centimeter. Now see the problem, it is given in meter, but this problem is given in centimeter. Now what we have to do is, in any problem, any subject, while solving the problem, the unit should be same unit we have to use. Now meter is a different unit compared to centimeter. Its value is different. You know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So I will change the centimeter into meter, because while finding the area, I want the answer in meter square. So I don't want in centimeter square. So I will change the centimeter into meter. And you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So what I will do is, I will divide the 140 centimeter by 100 centimeter, then value will change into meter. Okay? Centimeter is 140, since meter is in centimeter, 100 centimeter, so you have to divide it by exactly 100 value. Now if you divide it by 100, 0 you can cancel, 14 divided by 10 is 10 ones, then 4 remaining 44. You know that if 10 is there, after 1 digit point will come. So you can use that method also. So it is nothing but 1.4 centimeter. Sorry, 1.4 meter. So we change it into meter. Next one, what is given? Diameter is given, but I don't want diameter. D is not there in the formula. I want radius. So therefore, radius of the base. Base radius of the cylinder. Symbol is R is equal to. You know that if you divide, D is equal to 2R. So R is equal to D by, it is into, so if you bring, it is divided by 2. So R is equal to 1.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 ones are, in 1 it won't divide, 14. So point is there, 7. It is 0.7 meter. Now we have to find the closed surface area. Therefore, total surface area. Total surface area of the cylinder. How much? I will rub this one. I need place to work out. So what we will find out? TSA. Now write the formula first. TSA is equal to 2 pi r bracket into r plus h. Now I don't know the total surface area, so keep as it is, total surface area, which is equal to 2 into, this all into here, this only plus 2 into pi. Pi value again I will take 22 by 7, fractional value I will take, then into r. R is how much? Just now I have written, it is 0.7. Bracket is there, put the bracket into r plus h. R is how much? Again 0.7. But here write plus. Right? Plus. And height is how much? I have written, height is 1 meter. Height is 1 meter. Now we'll simplify, which is equal to TSA is equal to, now this is 0.7, it is 7, we can divide it. So 7 one time, and here 7 in 0 it won't divide, 0, point is there, write down, I am taking the first digit, so point will come, so 7 ones are 7, so 0.1 it is. Now 2 into 22 into 0.1 into, now add these two, 1 plus 0.7, 0.7 you have to add. Now how to add it? I will write 1 as 1.0. 1.0 is same as 1, so I can add it. So add it, 0 plus 7 is 7, point is there, 1 plus 0 is 1, so it is 1.7. Okay. Now I will simplify further. 2 into 22. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Into 0.1 into 1.7 equals 1 into 44 is 44. but after digit 1, after point 1 digit is there towards right side. So here in the answer also, from your right, after 1 digit, put the point. So 1 digit over, point will come here. So after point 1 digit is there, same as here. So it is 4.4 answer when you multiply these two numbers, then into 1.7. So you have to multiply 44 into 17. So 17 into 44, do it, then put the point proper places. 4 sevens are 28, 2 in hand. 4 ones are 4 plus 2, 68. Same 4 number you have to multiply. Answer will come 68, but one place you have to leave. So it is 8, 6. So add it, 8 here, 6 plus 8, 14, 1 in hand, 6 plus 1, 7. Now here where the point you have to write. Here after the point, right side, one place is there. Here also after the point, one place is there. So totally 1 point here, after the point, one place, here one place. So 2 place. So after the point there should be 2 digits, 2 place should be there. So 8 one place, 4 another digit. So point will come here. So answer is 7.48. So it is a 7.48. Since it is area, you have to write meter square because they want in a meter. So this much 7.48 meters metal sheet is needed to make that cylinder. So one more sentence I will write. So it is nothing but how much we got? 7.48. Therefore, area of the metal sheet required is equal to same area, write it in same number, write it, that is that much same area we will use it in making the cylinder, but metal we will use. Okay, so that is the answer. A metal pipe is given. One metal pipe is given like this way. This is a figure, a metal pipe is given. It is 77 meter long. What is the length of the metal pipe? 77 centimeter. 77 centimeter is the length of this pipe. Okay, and inner diameter is the inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. So it has got like this way. It has got particular thickness. They are not given in the figure. So inner diameter, if you take the circle like this way, this is the inner diameter, this is the outer diameter. So inner diameter is given, this is given how much? 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. And the outer diameter, if you consider the outer diameter, this I will take now, the big one. Outer, this is 4.4 centimeter. This one inner is 4 centimeter, outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Now your work is to find the, metal pipe is hollow in nature. It is, you have to find what is the inner surface area and as well as what is the outer surface area. And the third question is what is the total surface area. Now what we have to do is inner diameter of the pipe is given, inside how much big is there, because it has got particular thick, that pipe has got particular thick. So inside one radius is there, and outer one radius is there in the base. Okay, so inner radius, inner circle's diameter is given, it is 4 centimeter. Find the inner radius. And outer diameter is given, outer circle's diameter is given, it is 4.4 centimeter, its radius find out. So using that two numbers, find the inner surface area. Since it is only, it don't have the base, top and bottom, you have to find the curved surface area. So find the inner curved surface area first step. In the same manner, find the outer curved surface area, the second step. And third step is what is the total surface area. The total surface area is nothing but the area of this, if the circle will be like this way, I will draw it separately, you won't understand, small figure. You have the, if you see the pipe, here it is thickness of the pipe, and this is the hollow one where the water will pass. Now, what is the area of this particular part? How to find this? Okay. What is the area of this particular? It is nothing but find the total surface area of this big circle, subtract the area of this one, inner circle. Then you will get only the area of this pipe, which has got a thin base, the thickness of the pipe it is. Here for inner diameter, circle's diameter 4 centimeter is given, and whereas outer circle's diameter is given 4.4. So what we have to do is find the area of this outer one, pi r1 pi r square. This is the big pi r square, since it has got two surface, bottom and top, 2 pi r square. Then this one, inner one, 2 pi, small letter I will use, 2 pi r square, subtract it. Then you will get it is r, bigger r, this is smaller r. Okay. Then what we will get, what is common? 2 pi is common, so it is r square minus r square. So if you do this one, you will get the area of this thickness of the pipe, the base. Okay. So that one you have to add extra to this. So briefly I will write it, try to do it. I will close it, I will complete it and I will close it. Now write down answer, third one. Diameter of the wait 1 minute, length is given. First I will write length of the pipe. Length of the pipe, which is nothing but height. Length here, length is nothing but height of the cylinder. So h is equal to 77 centimeter. Next, the inner diameter. The inner diameter. The inner diameter D is equal to how much? D is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, inner radius, the inner radius R is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, curved surface area, inner curved surface area, that will find out. So curved surface area, inner curved surface area, The formula is 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH. So it is 2 into 22 by 7 into R is how much? 2. Height is 77. Right? Now simplify. 7 ones are 7 11s. So if you multiply 2 into 22 into 2 into 11, 2 into 22 is 44 into 2 into 11, 22. Now multiply 44 into 22. Separately multiply 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, this 2, 8, 8. So this 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 1 in hand, 8 plus 1, 9. So it is 968. It is 968 centimeter square. One we got. Another one, the outer diameter. Outer diameter D is equal to how much? 4.4 centimeter. Therefore, outer radius R, capital letter I will use, okay? Outer radius R is equal to 4.4 by 2, which is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Therefore, outer curved surface area. Outer curved surface area, we have to find inner over. Now I will find out outer. Which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7. Here capital letter R I will use. Capital letter R, which is how much? 2.2 into height is 77. So 7 ones are 7 11s are. So it is 2 into 22 into 2.2 into 11. So it is 2 into 22 is 44. 2.2 into 11, 11 2s are 22, 2 in hand, 11 2s are 22 plus 2, 24. So after one digit point will come. Now multiply 24.2 into 44. So it is 24.2 into 44. 4 table, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 1 in hand, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Here again 4, so 8, 6, 9. Now add it, 8, 6 plus 8, 14, 9, 1 in hand, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6, 16, again 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Here after one place to the right digit is there, so one place, right. So it is 1064.8 centimeter square. Now, what is the area of the total area of the base? Area of the base. Area of the base. What is the formula we have to use? It is 2 surfaces there. So it is 2 pi, outer radius how much? 2 pi r square minus 2 pi small letter r square. Because it is 2 is because pi r square is for circle and 2 is for two bases. So it is for bigger circle, R I have used capital letter, small for circle, inner circle, small letter R. So common is 2 pi, so it is R square minus small letter R square. So it is 2 into 22 by 7 into, now R is how much? 2. So it is 2 square minus capital letter R. 2.2. 2.2 square minus 2 square. So it is 2 into 22. 2.2 is 2.2. So it is 44. 484. It is 1 place, 2 place, 2 place. 4.84 minus 2 square is 4. So it is divided by 7. So 2 into 22 is 44. And if we subtract 4.84 minus 4 is 0.84 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7 0 here, 1 time 2. So it is 44 into 12. .12. So if you multiply 12 fours are how much? 48. 8 write down. 48, 4 in hand. 12 fours are 48 plus 4 52. At a 2 place point is there, so it is 5.28. So it is 5.28 centimeters square. Therefore, total area of the pipe. Total area of the pipe is equal to, now one area we got this one, another area is this one, and third area is this one. So add all these things. Last answer. So it is 968 plus 1064.8 5.9. Since point is there, I will put the point 0, I will write, it has no value. And here also I can write any 0, no value, so I can write, easy to add, here 8, 2 plus 8, 10, 0, 1 in hand, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 5, 18. So 1 in hand, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. 1, 9 plus 1, 10, and 1 in hand again, 2. It is 2038.08 centimeter square. That is the total area of the pipe. There are few more problems at home. You go through that problems, okay? You may get the answer. Thank you.